Welcome to Expert SEM Supply Chain Knowledge Sharing session. In this session, we are going to see a term private label. A private label product is one that a retailer gets produced by a third party but sells under its own brand name. The retailer controls everything about the product or products. That includes the specification of the product, how it is packaged, and everything else besides. Private label products are then delivered to the retailer to sell or sales. As far as consumers are concerned, they are the company's own brand products. For instance, a seller of collaboration software might launch a private label line of a conference call hardware. Those products would get manufactured by another firm under an agreement. They get sold through under initial business's brand name. Most consumer product categories include both branded and private label lines. The following are some of the examples of sectors where private labeling is most prevalent. Number one could be grooming and personal care, nail solution, hairdressers and other establishments may sell private label nail polish, shampoo, etc. In food and beverage sector, grocery stores own brand condiments, sauces, etc. Clothing, high street clothing stores often sell their own line alongside branded alternatives. Pet food and accessory pet stores sell toys much more with their own branding. Finally, this process gives opportunity to improve their own branding, but for that maybe they have to pay additional money to the manufacturer. Thanks for watching. Bye.